You can check timestamp to move to where you want. Do you need a wider screen to view the worksheet or dashboard? You can quickly collapse or expand the ribbon, press on your keyboard. Command Option and R at same time. If you want to change the Excel window setting, and you need to open options, you can just press Command and comma. If you need to open the Help dialog box, press Command and /. You can also use F1 key for the same purpose. After copying a value and you need other paste options, click on the cell you would like to paste the copied value and press Command, Ctrl and V to open the Paste Special dialog box to explore the paste option available to you. Command and F will open the Find dialog box. Ctrl and F will also open the Find dialog box but will open the advanced setting directly. And to display Find and Replace dialog box, you need to press Ctrl and H together. Do you want to quickly create a chart to view your data? Click on a cell within the data or select the part of the data you want to display in a chart, and press Option and F1 together to get a chart within the same worksheet. Let's see some shortcuts that can be used in Excel table. Command and T when pressed at same time opens the dialog box to create a table. And you can toggle off and on the auto filter by pressing down Command, Shift and F at the same time on your keyboard. To create a quick access drop down to help, so you don't have to type the wrong value or look up what is already typed in. Just click a cell within the column that contains the values, or just click on the cell below it and press Option and the down arrow together. When you click on a cell within a table, and you press Shift and Space Bar together, it will select that row, while Control and Space Bar will select that column. Finally, on table shortcuts. To toggle on and off the table total row, click on any cell within the table and press Ctrl, Shift and T. Command and A selects all segment of a data or table when pressed once, and select the entire worksheet when pressed together for multiple times. To show the list of functions, click on a cell and press Ctrl, Option, and down arrow. All list of functions available will be displayed and you can select one to use in the current cell selected. There is an hidden column. Let's unhide and hide it again. Please like, share, and subscribe. Do you want to copy a part of the document or data where you have hidden some cells, rows, or columns? But the normal copy and paste is copying the hidden data also. You should highlight the cells you want to copy, then press Option and semicolon, then you copy and paste it where you want and all hidden cells won't be copied along. If you lose where active cell is on your worksheet, and you want to go back to the exact location, just press Ctrl and Delete together. To move around selected cells in a clockwise direction, use Ctrl and full stop keyboard shortcut. To move the active cell in upward direction within selected cells, you press Shift and Return key together. Command, Shift, and arrow key allows you to select a row or column in the direction of the arrow key. Note: ensure there is no empty cells along the way. Also function key, Shift, and up arrow or down arrow. Select a full screen length in the direction of the arrow. Shift and space bar. Select the whole length of the row where you clicked. Control and G, when pressed together on the keyboard, opens Go to dialog box where you can select whatever actions you want to take. If we need to select a region around the active cell, you can use Control, Shift, and space bar pressed together. Control and U activate the cursor in the active cell. When cursor is activated on an active cell, you can use Shift and side arrow key, either forward or backward, to select a character to the right or the left. Control Shift and right arrow key. When pressed together in an active cell, select one word to the right, while Control, Shift, and left arrow key. When pressed together, select one word to the left. Also function key, Shift, and right arrow. When pressed together in an active cell, select all values to the end of the cell, while function key, Shift, and left arrow when pressed together, select all values to the beginning of the cells. If you want to delete some certain element of an active cell from anywhere in between to the end of the cell, after placing the cursor where you want, just press function key, Control and Delete together. To insert a line break in a cell, use the Option and Return key together at the desired place. After you enter data in a cell, and you want the active cell to be the cell above the current one, just press Shift and Return key. And if you want it to be the cell at the right of the current cell, press the Tab key. If you want it to be the cell at the left, press Shift and Tab key together. Control and Return key when pressed together. After entering data in a cell, ensure the active cell remains the cell you just entered data. Control and Return can also be used to enter same data into multiple cells at once. Control and semicolon insert the current date in the active cell, while Command and semicolon insert the current time. Note this date and time will remain same even when date and time changes. Command and D key fill down value from the cell above, while Command and R fill value right from the left cell of the selected item. Command and inverted comma copy formula from the cell above. To add hyperlink to the element of a cell or group of cell, press Command and K together to open the hyperlink dialog box. To display an autocomplete list from item above, press Option and the downward arrow together. Flash fill is activated with Control and E used together. It is used to extract part of the character or word from cell just left of the active cell. Command and 1. Display the formatting pop-up where you can select or create the format option you want. Command and B is used to bold text, Command and I used to turn it to italic, while Command and U underlines the text. Command, Shift, and X is used to strike a text. Command and E aligns text in a cell to the center of the cell, while Command and L aligns text to the left. Control, Option and Tab indents the text in a cell, but we can remove the indentation with Control, Option, Shift and Tab. We can increase font size with keyboard shortcut, Command, Shift and greater than sign, and reduce it with Command, Shift and less than sign. Shortcuts for number formatting. Command, Shift and $symbol will give you accounting format type. Command, Shift and %symbol will give you percentage format type. Command, Shift and exponential symbol will give you scientific format type. Command, Shift and hash symbol will give you date format type. Command, Shift and @ symbol will give you time format type. Command, Shift and exclamation symbol will give you number format type. For border outline, press Command, Option and 0. For right border, press Command, Option and right arrow. For left border, press Command, Option and left arrow. For top border, press Command, Option and up arrow. For bottom border, press Command, Option and down arrow. To delete border, press Command, Option and underscore. If you want to toggle between absolute reference and relative reference, press Command and T or F4. Did you forget or trying to remember a function? Just press Shift and F3 to open function dialog box. To auto-sum a set of data, just click below the data and press Command, Shift, and T. Do you want to see all the formula in your worksheet? Just press Control and backtick. When you click on a cell and press Command, Shift and +sign key together, the Insert dialog box pop up. When you select a column or columns and press Command, Shift and +sign key together, you add a column or columns to the sheet. And when you select a row or rows and press Command, Shift and +sign key together, you add a row or rows to the sheet. To hide column in a worksheet, select the column and press Control and 0. To hide row in a worksheet, select the row and press Control and 9. To unhide row in a worksheet, select the row and press Control, Shift, and 9. To unhide column in a worksheet, select the column and press Control, Shift, and 0. To open the group dialog box, click on a cell, press Command, Shift, and K, and to group some column or row, just press Command, Shift, and K. To ungroup rows or column, press down together, Command, Shift, and J. To insert a new worksheet, just press together, Shift and F11. To go to the next worksheet, press together, Function, Control and down arrow key, and to go to the previous worksheet, press together, Function, Control and up arrow key. To minimize current workbook window, you press Command and M. To maximize the current workbook, use Ctrl and F10 together. To toggle in and out of full screen for the current workbook, press Ctrl, Command and F together. For spell check, keyboard shortcut is F7. To open macro dialog box, press Option and F8 together. To open VBA Editor, use keyboard shortcut key Option and F11. To open Power Query Editor, use keyboard shortcut key Option and F12. Let us know in the comment your favorite shortcut key, or any new shortcut you learned. Please like, share, and subscribe. Check the link card up on interview tips and tricks.